Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. This time we're going to the Grampians. We've hired an RV just to see if we like it before we decide if we want our own or not. And we're heading off to explore the beautiful Grampians in Victoria. Yes, we loved it. Our first stop was Hall's Gap and we couldn't believe the kangaroos. My kids thought they were amazing because they were so tame you could actually, well, try and pat them. They were a little bit scared that they were going to get attacked, but it was so much fun. How cute are they? We stayed at Hall's Gap Caravan Park, Lakeside. In the Grampians, it's about being outside, experiencing the great outdoors, and there's lots of hikes and bushwalks you can choose from. A really great one is MACKENZIES Falls. You can go to the lookout and have a look from up there, and you can also hike down. Lots and lots of steps. Just remember that you have to actually come back up. I realised that one the hard way, being not the fittest at the moment, but we're getting there.
Right now we're leaving because this one was a pretty long hike, and yeah, like really long hike. So this didn't film that much, but yeah, this is a really good view, and that's all. Bye.
How good is the sound of a waterfall? And now we're off to the Grampians to see the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle is a much harder walk. It takes a lot longer, but the view is worth the effort.
We reach the top and look at the view.
Of course, one of the best bits of camping is experiencing the campfires at night, cooking the marshmallows and enjoying them with the family. We had so much fun with our RV, and here's a tour. We hired a Winnebago Burleigh because it sleeps 6 and it was great.
In the cabin, we've got a table and chairs, which folds into a bed where the kids go.
Excuse our mess, this was at the end of the tour and obviously we had a few bits and pieces laying around. Next time I'll know, take the video at the start of the trip.
We'll put down that ladder, they'll sleep up the top there, so that's above the dining. A microwave, and fridge, no oven, but we've got the grill and a hot plate. And then down here where we slept, which can be a lounge, and TV.
We're obviously pretty new to this whole YouTube thing, but we're getting better, I hope you think. I have just purchased a GoPro, so we are going to be showing you our trips around Australia and many other holidays that we take. We've been to a lot of places with our kids, so there's many opportunities for holiday videos and we'll be posting them on YouTube. So I hope that you'll keep on watching. Like and subscribe is what you meant to say on YouTube. I would love to hear more about your trips as well, if you can share your links below. Thanks for watching.